D2DNY, real world HVAC simplified. And today on this job I'm going to show you how to pull a proper vacuum. So you can see my refrigerant line, the white tubes, that's the white tubes or the white insulation. That's my refrigerant line. Okay, so I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna go to the condensing unit and show you my rig, how I'm set up, you know, to pull a killer vacuum. Okay, now this video is mostly for pros and beginners, but I'm gonna show you real quick up here. So this is what we got going on here. So what's going on here? So work in progress. But I'm gonna go out there and show you real quick. I'm just tripping because of the text type. I'm gonna go show you real quick my setup. That's what this video is about. This video is about pulling a proper vacuum. And you know, my setup, the rig that I'm using, the tools that I'm using to pull a proper vacuum. So here we are. So I'm using, this is my new favorite gauges. It's the Hvac. It doesn't have microns on it, but it's pretty dope. I like it. I like it a lot. And then this is my Micron gauge, JB. Okay. And so here's the condensers, and this is my vacuum pump right there. And look at that, 87 microns. Right. So here's my Hvac, 29.9 inches. 29.9 inches. In my vacuum, this gauge has a extra port for let's see it focusing. Come on. Okay, there it goes. Okay, so this gauge has an extra port for vacuuming or whatever you want to use it for. I mean, I'm using it for vacuuming. It's just perfect. Hence the reason why I love these gauges. Okay, it looks really cool as well. Ball valves, you know, no twist turn gauge valve style. It's ball valve. It's really dope. But yeah, with this setup, 87 microns, right? That's super good. So I'm also using, if you notice right here, I'm using not my regular charging hose, the yellow hose. I'm using this is the same 1/4 inch, but it transitioned into a fatter hose. You can see that it's way fatter than this regular charging hose right here, of the regular gauge manifold hoses. Way fatter. And let's see that paper there. Oh, it's a 3/8 hose. And I'm using I think it's a 3 adapter or a 3 connection. This is a regular 1/4 inch over here, which you'll be using if you got your regular hose or yellow hose. But this gives you a super vacuum. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. All right, I go over here. All right, so over here you can see on the high side and on the low side, just regular connection, typical connection. Okay, yeah, so that's what I'm doing. That's my setup, that's my rig. And you can see what's going on here. This is like super good when it comes to pulling a vacuum. I mean, you can't ask more than that. So this video was helpful. Like it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, subscribe. I do drop videos like this on a weekly basis. You know, I real world, real time, no BS, HVAC, and it's simplified. So if you got questions, you can ask. You know, I will in the comments, in the comment section, I'll answer them. But yeah, I mean, if you got a better rig or a better setup, and you want to, give me a shout out. And but I don't know. This is just dope, y'all. Look at that. This is dope. All right.